the 2008 Chevy Malibu, the 3.5 liter, and I'm removing, well, I already did, this trim here, and this is a really pain in the ass to remove. It pops off of these clips back in there. There's those two, where's my flash? Those two up there pop in right there. And then this goes underneath this part, and it's a pain in the ass to get that out. You gotta separate it and like pull it apart. So and then this has to pop up first because that goes on top of that. So same with this front piece pops off to access this, and you got your clips, your 1, 2, and then another clip there. So then this will go on top of that, and it kind of pops off. You're gonna have to pop this off first before you can separate it up here, and you kind of drop it down. It's pretty hard to do. Be careful. You can bend it, you can pull on this a little bit, but yeah, so I'm putting it back on, but that's just kind of what it looks like. And then yeah, it gets the wires and all that, so yeah, you can do it, get the behind there.